Hey guys! In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best folding electric bike on Aliexpress. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. JUMER 1000 watt folding electric bike. Lightweight aluminum alloy frame, front and rear double oil spring suspension structure, height adjustable range aluminum alloy, 60 to 90 cm. Using 1000 watt brushless high-speed motor, reduce friction, improve speed torque up to 95 Nm and no deformation. Providing electric bicycles with strong performance and up to 45 km/h of driving speed. 26 by 4.0 professional terrain bike tire. The wider the tire width, the better the ride resistance and impact resistance. Reduce the bumps and ride feel as comfortable as a car. The folding design is practical and saves space. It can be placed in the trunk of the car and is perfect for traveling. 48 voltage 17,000 ampere-hour large capacity lithium battery. The battery can be removed and charged, or it can be charged directly in the bike, and charging time 6 to 7 hours. It can conquer all terrains like off-road with comfortable riding experience, and when you brake, the power will automatically cut off. Waterproof LED spotlight provides better visibility and safer travel. 3.5-inch LCD display with night mode. LCD ensure visibility at night, shows mileage and speed and battery level, and recommend you when need to prepare for next charging. Number 4. UNIFOLDING 1000 watt e-bike. Aluminum alloy frame, front and rear double oil spring suspension structure. 48 voltage 1000 watt high-speed brushless motor, imported PA 66 raw material reducer. The torque reaches 95 Nm without deformation. Imported German Hall chip. Signal processing is timely and stable, not easy to damage. 12.8 ampere-hour large capacity lithium battery. Imported battery management system. The battery can be removed and charged, or it can be charged directly in the bike. MX-01 electric bicycle adopts domestic famous SOD hydraulic oil brake. The brake feel and stability are greatly improved, and the safety is higher. It also B4.0 Central Standard Time, BFT fat tire, 1000 watt superpower. The wider the tire width, pass through obstacles, resist impact, reduce bumps, and achieve car-like comfort. The folding design is practical and saves space. It can be placed in the trunk of the car and is perfect for traveling. HD LCD display, instrument, accurate power display, accumulated mileage, instrument backlight. Number 3. SPA 1000 watt folding electric bike. The adjustable handlebar height guarantees the riding needs of people of 165 to 190 cm different heights. This e-bike with 1000 watt high-speed brushless gear motors and 48 voltage intelligent brushless controller, it can easily assist you to travel at top speed of 25 mph. It also B4.0 fat tire. The wider the tire width, the better the ride resistance and impact resistance. Reduce the bumps and ride feel as comfortable. This bike loading capacity 150 to 180 kg. Tektro high-sensitive mechanical disc brakes, front and rear Tektro disc brake system, effectively reducing the braking distance. 48 voltage 12.8 ampere-hour removable lithium battery. Hidden aluminum alloy waterproof lithium battery compartment with anti-theft allows you to ride safely. Adopting collapsible middle stem and removable battery, you can charge the battery in the frame or remove it easily. This battery charging time 4 to 6 hours. 3.5-inch LCD multifunction display with USB, so you can check the riding data more conveniently. The folding design is practical and saves space, so easily carry this bike. Number 2. A Dece Oaece A20F 500 watt folding electric bike. It also be 40% lighter than the high carbon steel aluminum alloy body, light damping, riding more relaxed. 500-watt motor with G-drive control system. A2 provides the cross-country motor riding experience. Cross the hill, mud road, forest, enjoy your life. Using 3.25 times golden differential gear ratio, perfect power output, cross-country riding experience. Front and rear double disc brake system, fast heat dissipation design, ensure the emergency brake, smooth brake, safe and reliable. 4.0-inch fat tire, multi-layer thick rubber tire, super grip, anti-skid and explosion proof. Enjoy riding in all kinds of surface road, best user experience. This bike max speed 30 to 50 km per hour. HD LCD screen, real-time query cycling data. Clearly display under the sunshine. Automobile grade 18,650 batteries, V2.0 BMS battery management system, efficiency increase by 20%. 2 charging methods, 4 to 6 hours full charge. Enjoy a faster and easier charging method. Charge your smartphone in any time. Enjoy riding in the countryside. 10S quickly folding, 3-stage folding design, convenient to store. IPX5 waterproof design, LED highlight, wide-angle illumination, super penetration, safety driving. Number 1. Lancolic 1000-watt folding electric bike. The frame is made of durable 6061 aluminum alloy, front and rear double oil spring suspension structure. Excellent 48 voltage low high-speed brushless motor. The torque reaches 95 Nm without deformation. Imported German Hall chip. Signal processing is timely and stable, not easy to damage. 4.0-inch fat tire, multi-layer thick rubber tire, super grip, anti-skid and explosion proof. Enjoy riding in all kinds of surface road, best user experience. The maximum speed of the motor can reach 40 km. Front rear hydraulic disc brake with power off function can effectively reduce the brake distance. Upgrade 48 voltage 15 ampere hour Samsung lithium battery. Imported battery management system. The battery can be removed and charged, or it can be charged directly in the bike. LCD multifunction display, so you can check the riding data more conveniently. Easy riding upwind, strong climbability, and enjoy the excitement of riding.